Can I survive a week on just $100 with inflation skyrocketing? If you're anything like most people, you're probably feeling the pinch of inflation in your daily life. Prices are rising, and it seems like the cost of living is increasing every day. But what exactly is inflation, and how is it affecting your wallet? Inflation is more than just a buzzword, it's a real force that erodes your purchasing power. Think about it, if your favorite coffee shop raises the price of a latte from $3 to $4, that's inflation in action. You need to spend more money to buy the same thing you used to get for less. Over time, this adds up. For example, let's say you have $100 a week for groceries. If prices rise by just 5%, that $100 doesn't go as far as it used to. You might have to cut back on some items or find cheaper alternatives. This isn't just about small comforts, it's about the basics. Housing costs, gas prices, and even healthcare expenses are all subject to inflation. Inflation shows up in many areas of our lives. You might have noticed gas prices creeping up, or maybe your rent just went up. Grocery bills seem heftier these days, too. These aren't isolated incidents, they're part of a broader trend. The cost of living is rising, and it's not just because of specific events like wars or natural disasters. Sometimes, it's due to something as simple as more demand for goods and services or even just higher production costs. When businesses face higher costs, they often pass those costs on to consumers in the form of higher prices. So what can you do about it? One practical tip is to take a close look at your budget and see where you can make adjustments. Are there areas where you can cut back on spending? Could you find cheaper alternatives for some of your regular expenses? For example, if you're used to eating out for lunch every day, consider packing your lunch instead. That small change can add up to big savings over time. Another strategy is to focus on building an emergency fund. Having some extra money set aside can help cushion the blow of unexpected expenses, which are often more costly due to inflation. To wrap things up, it's clear that inflation has a real impact on our daily lives. It affects how far our money goes and can create financial challenges if we're not prepared. Understanding inflation and taking proactive steps can help you mitigate its effects. If you've noticed inflation affecting your wallet, share your experiences with us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on navigating today's economy.